What's doing? Welcome to another episode. It's another drift one. Well, it's not a drift one. This is my drift car one, fixing it again. But we're buying it together now. I'll flick the camera around now and I'll show you what we're getting up to. What are you laughing at? Yours is still in pieces as well.
Hey, tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow we'll revise this.
Okay.
And we'll have them both built next to each other.
Okay. We'll
Probably.
see. Probably not.
Yeah.
So, Josh is doing things. You're talking, that's what you do, you're good at, just talking?
Just talking.
Yeah.
Talking shit.
Talking shit. So, it's going back together. New piston, new rod, no, same piston, new rod, new bearings. Stuff is in there, as you've seen in the last one. New rings as well, so the rod got a little bit hot and out of round, so new rod, new bearings, new gasket, new head gasket, new stuff, so that's coming apart. We also have a new turbo coming because I found the turbo backing plate in the front housing had a crack in it and it was flexing, so I got a new one of those coming. Today is Tuesday, it's currently lunchtime Tuesday. I need to get the car in and running and driving on the trailer for Sunday. So I've got a couple of days up my sleeve. The boys reckon they're going to hang around tomorrow night and help me. So it's Wednesday night, hang around, hopefully get the motor done today, bolted together. Hang around Wednesday night, put it together, put it in and run in, tune, ready to go for drifting on Sunday at CarMake. So we'll see how we go. Oh, hi.
Yeah, this wouldn't have happened without me.
That's right, you're holding that crane perfectly.
Hey, I did the knobby thing.
You did the pump and the knob thing.
Yeah, I jerked it off and undid it.
Yeah.
So, you're welcome.
These guys did nothing.
Absolutely nothing.
Nothing.
No,
And
emotional
support. Motor's in. So now, well, I lost all my voice. I'm all choked up.
Watching me work.
Oi. There was fingers in bums and things, but motor's in, and now he's got to plumb in and do things and join things and do things up and screw things and bolt things.
And find a turbo. Have you told him about you
I haven't
find
told
a
him to.
turbo?
I'll go and have a look.
Okay, the turbo.
Turbo's cooked. Let's go have a look. Yeah, it's cooked. Yeah, we'll go over here. Don't know what happened to it. When wastegates actuate, I can tell you a couple of things. We've had to fix this. I had to weld this on the flapper because when the flapper opened, you can sort of see there on that shiny bit, it was catching where I've had to grind. Oh, gotta get some lighting. I've had to grind so it didn't touch. But the main problem was the flapper had actually come loose off the back here. So now that's welded, it works properly because it was getting caught about halfway. So that was my boost control issue. But the other issue we have is my core, CHARE, is broken. I don't know if you can see there, that line. Get out of the way, you kid. That line there is actually a crack. I'll be able to zoom in, you might be able to see. There you go. That line there is actually a crack. And when the wastegate moved, that would flex. You can see almost there. That would flex open. So yeah, so that would flex open and hit impeller blades on this thing. So if we have a look here, it doesn't look pretty anyway, but all the impeller blades were hitting the housing and getting stuck and creating more problems. So I have a new one of these on their way. Hopefully I should be able to just take my hoses and bits and pieces off and throw it back in the guts. Throw it back in the guts of this and throw that one away, and we should be up and running. So yeah, hopefully that's happening. They're on their way, parts are on their way overnight from Japan. Kai's car hasn't been on here before yet, but he's going to be on here shortly. Kai's car's happening. We have 1J in his Lexus. It's all happening and going. We've got Haltech in that. Actually, I gave him my Haltech out of one of my cars, and we've plumbed that all in, wired that all up. He's been chugging away on his own. He's doing stuff. He's angry. Don't ask. We've got a fuel leak, so we've got to fix that tomorrow. That's a tomorrow shame problem. But that's happening as well.
So where'd you land on the turbo?
Alright, so I went for a drive to Goodna, Redbank Plains, and I got a turbo. It's a second handy. We made 1 out of 2. So that's my housing, his rear, his core, so we can keep it all in the same factory spot. The issue I was having was on my core. I don't know if I showed you earlier, can't find my core. That's his housing, this is an older style. That's my old rear. My core's here. Yeah, so my core had these cracking there. So, core no good. And Alana's looking at me wanting something, so I better go do something, because she doesn't. And we'll put turbo on, hopefully on the dyno tonight, and get the thing running. See how we go. Jarvis did a thing!
Hey.
We have turbo.
Turbo, bro.
So it's in there. It's going to be, like I said, it's my front housing on the
New rear.
donor, not new, second,
No.
new to me,
New
second
to
hand,
us.
yeah. Yeah, it'll do for one day. I have a new core coming. We may change things. I don't know yet.
We will change.
But it's in. So hopefully by this afternoon we can hit the go button and we get it over on that thing over there and we start running it in and go drifting on Sundays.
Yay!
All right, it's Friday afternoon, it's 5:30. Boys are just here doing their own stuff. Jarvis putting an LS together for himself. Kai's finishing off his bits and pieces for his car for gravy weekend. Mine's done. We're on the dyno. I didn't get much of a chance to film. Just been too busy focusing on the motor to make sure everything's okay and listening and watching and making sure everything is Mickey Mouse. No knocks, no bangs, no bumps. All pressures are good. Boost is good. Temps are good. Everything's good. Let's go and have a look. There she is. It's in. Josh has tidied up some bits and pieces today. Got it all in. Got the turbo all sorted out, exhaust all sorted out, all the other fittings and bits and pieces done. We've put some heat shielding back on here to cover the heat side of things. It all should be good to go on that side. But here's the money. So we've got 303 kilowatts and nearly 500 newton meters, so it's just over 400 horsepower. And it comes on real hard, so we sort of, around sort of 442 or so, it starts ramping right up, and we're making, peak torque at 5, and it carries that all the way through. It's on 18 pound. Yeah, it's on 18 pound. I tweaked up a little bit more, and it made some more, but it was just, I'm just getting close to running out of injector. So dial it back, 18 pounds, pretty cool. It'll do what I need to do, especially 500 newton meters and the power it's making. So we'll go to Winter Jam, give it a soft drive test, make sure everything's okay. And then go to gravy, and then maybe after gravy I'll wick it up some more, see what it does, put some more timing in it. It's not running a heap of timing, so hopefully we can, I don't think I need to. If I don't need to, I'll just leave it alone, just drive it, make it reliable. So I don't know where we are in the way of time for this video, if this is going to be it for this one, or I'll carry on and we'll do Winter Jam on Sunday. Oh, Jesus, good morning. It's a bit bright there with that flash in my eyes. It's 5:30, almost 6 o'clock. We're loaded up. That could be a bit of a thumbnail, that jigger. Yeah, so we're loaded up. We're heading down to QR for Car Make Revive. Let's go. We're at a car yard or something. Alright, so we're here. We're getting set up. I've got Michael pulling behind me now. We're going to set up, let the car warm up, do some nice cruisy laps, and hopefully we can survive the day. Let's see how we go. Just an alien trying to work out technology.
We are from outer space. We can't get drivers like us around here.
I still don't know what these things are.
They're meant to be pets, but it's inverted.
So we're here. This is me. This is our outfit. We're Team Green. The boys. Look, they're laughing. They're just jealous. They're jealous. They're just jealous. Team Green. I don't know what I got myself into, but let's go do some driving.
Way to the other, so you're not carrying too much speed when you come into the next corner.
see if we can keep this car together. Alright, so I just did one lap, just very slow, using the handbrake, not much clutching, and just trying to be very gentle. So I'll go do another lap now, try a little bit more, and then once we sort of get settled in, another car's alright, I'll set the cameras up and we'll do some drifting and some tandems and some trains and see how we go from there. It's really slippery out there now.
Is that on? Yeah. You left it on, you idiot.
Solo practice.
Yep.
2 competition runs.
Roger. Alright, so we're doing a solo practice in the wet and then 2 competition runs. So we'll see how we go. Look at that. Represent.
He's going to go down the end, pick up all the barriers for him, and take them back. What a good lad.
Don't crash this one, man.
Team Red.
Oh, nice angle from the truck. Look at him go. Oh, he's body rolled it back. Oh my God, this is magic. He's hitting the points. He's gone wide. He's gonna run the wall.
I reckon he's going to take the noodles and the
Don't you take. Oh, he's just missed it. Here we go with the U-turn. He's going to have to do a 3-point turn. Oh, the truck's broken down.
I didn't know I could do that.
You know what? It's done more laps than his Morale has today, so that's good enough. Top contender.
What do you think of that?
I don't reckon we need to see another one. I've seen everything for today.
Woo!
We're going back out. It's wet. We didn't win. I don't know if you can see me. But we didn't win, but we're going back out. So Benny and wheels just don't get along, do you, Benny?
Not the wheels, it's
The Benny and wheels just don't get along.
no. The
There's a bush stuff going on. We're just trying to get home. These guys are having a great time.
Oh, you vlogging it?
Oh, whoa, that's on Zoom. That's on Zoom. Whoa.
Watch the pearly whites, mate.
The Zoom was right in.
I'm glad I fucking said something.
You've driven all day, and now on the way out, you broke it.
That's the death click way.
It's a definitely way.
No.
YouTube, John. Be on YouTube with me, John. All right, so that's us. We're done. How'd you go? You go all right?
Yeah, did good.
Did good? Didn't break?
Good. No, all good.
How about you, Amber? Did you break?
No, everything went good today. Had a good day.
Are you alive still, Smur, or are you?
Are we not? We're still in a relationship.
Survived. So they survived an event. Yeah. No, that's us. Oh, shit. We just had a chicken palmy and some food at the tab, and we're heading home. We're done. Great event. And well, I think next one's gravy.
It is.
All right, we'll see you in the next drifting event. Hit that like, hit subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. And John, have a good night.
You too.